How to run Facebook or Meta ads for your start D2C brand, small business, e-commerce in a beginner stage. This is a very crucial stage when most of the business owner think about how best they can run Meta ads for their business, and they want to maximize their revenue and want to gain profits from the starting out. So this strategy is for those. And if you are so this video is solely for the beginners who want to run ads for the startup, D2C brand, small business, e-commerce. This video is solely for the people who want to run Meta ads for startup brands or D2C brands, small businesses, e-commerce, SaaS products, right? This is not specific to any niche. When you go to niche specific things, generally the fundamentals of marketing remain same, but it's just you have to find what you want to run in the start initial stage, right? So I'm just going to so I'm just so I am just going to describe you a few conditions where you can run Meta ads for your business in best possible way, right? It can be ABO, CBO. It totally depends on you and what kind of money you have, because Meta ads need money. If you want to increase your volume, you need to have lot of money, right? But how to start? This is the most important thing. If your foundation and if your foundation and your methodology are strong in the beginning, you will never face the issue in running Meta ads. For example, if there are 100 brands running meta if there are 100 brands, if there are 100 brands on Meta running Facebook ads, why 50% of the brands make success out of them while other struggle, why their brand is not growing, right? So this video is solely for that purpose only. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 80 million in revenue for my clients. So whatever I am saying is coming from the experience by running ads from big businesses, small businesses, different type of niche. And let me tell you, running ads for businesses remain same. It all depends how well you understand that business and how you can generate strategy around that. So let's start the video. How to run Facebook ads, Meta ads for these types of businesses, right? So let's start creating the let's start creating the campaign. Let me just start with this. So I am assuming you have very less creatives, less videos, less images. You are not at that stage where you have lot of creative. So I wanted to create one single campaign, right? Campaign for prospecting, where you are showing your business to the people, to the new people, right? Ad set to. So next question, open one single interest. Have just drawn the diagram. So you got 4 to 5 creatives. You want to test out those, right? So first of all, to know what kind of ad creatives work, see your organic feed, like what kind of content people are liking. If you know that these are the there, so you launch, so you share 4 to 5 videos, 4 to 5 images on Instagram organically. Out of those, 2 or 3 got some really good traction, right? And some of them not got the traction. So what you can do is choose those videos that got lot of reactions, comments, likes, people viewed your video or liked your images, right? You can introduce those ads. So first of all, if you haven't done that, you need to do that. Post content organically on Instagram, Meta, right? And see what kind of content people are liking, and then choose out of those, right? Like out of 6 to 7 videos, you got really good interaction, good engagements good engagements on 3 videos. Introduce those 3 videos, introduce those images on the ad set. This is the crucial point. People test and they don't know whether it will perform or not. This is the hack. Even if you are a larger brand and want to see what kind of videos are performing, just post it organically. I'm not saying that will judge how performance is, but how to know which kind of how to know which kind of ad Facebook is preferring. Like if Facebook is preferring a video or image organically, they will definitely push it when you launch in the form of ad, right? So what is the goal of Facebook as a business owner? To make people stay on that platform for the most of the time, right? If you create a content regarding that and you publish it through ads, Facebook will push it. This is the main secret that most of the people like randomly test stuff, right? So now, you have a question like, should we go with the ABO and CBO, right? If you have budget, like you have budget, you don't care about whether this will perform or not. But I think everybody should care about what kind of ad creatives are working. But if you have budget, right, go with the ABO, right? Choose ABO if you are testing marketing angle, second marketing angle, third marketing angle, right? Only choose ABO if you really want to get deep into this, that which kind of marketing angle will work, what kind of hook is working for me, right? Just create different variation of that particular ad and test out your marketing angle, different pain points, desires. It should be done. It when you get when you start running ads, you will start getting the lot of orders. Then you want to get into all these things, right? Use ABO if you have a lot of money and you want to invest in each and everything, like you want to test out your pain points, angles, right? What kind of hooks are working, what kind of ad copies are working. If not, for example, you have $100, right? You want to test out, you don't have that kind of money to test out these kind of creatives, these kind of angles, just go with the CBO. For CBO, choose this one. Create one single ad set with relevant interest, shoes, whatever the main keyword of your brand. Put that single interest, test out over here, and put open targeting, not selecting any interest, no custom audiences, no lookalikes. Facebook will spend money on the ads that will performing best in these two ad sets. You might get some good traction on ad 2, you might get some good interaction on ad 3. So Facebook will divide the budget according to its algorithm, right? You don't have to micromanage these things, like should I, if you have run ABO, like you invested $50 over here, $50 over here, right? Now Facebook have opportunity to spend $50 over ad set 1, $50 on ad set 2. But if you have CBO, you totally have $100, right? What total amount you have $100. If Facebook find that your ad 1 is performing, Facebook will spend your 90% of the budget on ad 1, right? That is the beauty of the CBO, that you don't have to micromanage the Facebook, that if somehow after a few days Facebook is not getting results from ad set 1, Facebook will spend money on ad set 2. That is the main course of structure that you can implement on your. After this, after what's going to happen after 7 days, what you can do is, if all these ads are working, if this ad set 1 is not working, you can turn off this ad set, introduce new ad set. By not disturbing ad set 2, Facebook will continuously spend money over here. It can be ad 1, it can be ad 2. So it totally depends on the Facebook algorithm, and you don't have to manage, right? That should I decrease the budget, should I increase the budget? Your budget will remain consistent and you will see the exponential growth in your orders if everything is fine. If none of this is working, create an ad set 3, introduce new ads, because after 7 days you will know that out of these 4 ads which kind of ads are working, right? And if it is not working, then you should opt for something different, and if it is working, you should go with that particular ad and create it as a baseline for your business. Like for example, ad 4 is working, it is some kind of UGC ad or some product explanation ad. Create those ads as a baseline, right? And introduce all these future ads in terms of that, right? People don't have baseline, like what kind of ads is going to work. Let Facebook do the thing. Facebook will tell you what kind of ads are working. Facebook will tell you what kind of ads are working. Facebook will definitely tell you what kind of ads are not working. So don't try to push hard on the things that are not working, and let Facebook do the thing, right? CBO, ABO is totally depend on your budget. 99% of the time I do CBO, even it for a small business also, and for the bigger business also, I 100% go with the CBO. I trust Facebook completely. You can say me that I am biased, and I am biased towards Facebook algorithm. Yes, I am, because I know how Facebook ads work and how beautifully, even for the small businesses that don't have enough money, Facebook is producing crazy amount of volume of orders per day. Trust me, go with the CBO. And if you really want to test out what kind of you have budget, like you have created certain amount of budget, like $500, $1,000, to know what kind of marketing angles are working in the first. Generally, with the small businesses, people don't have that kind of money, and I don't even want them to invest these kind of money in ABO, right? So go with the CBO, start creating ads on that basis, create when whatever kind of successful ad you find on Meta, just keep it as a keep that ad as a baseline, and start introduce new ads according to that. I hope this video reaches you well, and if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me using the link in description, right? So all the small business owners, all the startups, all people who just want to run ads for your business, see your organic growth, what kind of posts people are engaging with, create real video, what kind of videos people are interacting with, use those videos as a baseline for your running ads, and launch them in a single CBO campaign, and see, and do not touch it for the 7 days. What tend to happen is when these small businesses owner hire somebody, and what happen is people start losing the patience when something is not working within 1 or 2 days. Let it give 7 days. Please, it's a request, give it 7 days and see what kind of data Facebook is showing, right? Patience is one of the main key in getting success. Out of all these elements that I discussed, patience is the main key. Be patient, do not get greedy. Once Facebook starts showing result, do not just push the money on it. Let it run it for multiple days and see if it is consistent, then only push the budget. What happen is people try to push lot of budget in early success, and that leads to the failure of the business. Be patient with Meta ads. Facebook will print you money if you just be patient with them. I hope this video reaches you well. Thank you.